Tumama Baby Bath Boy, making bath time fun and educational for your little one. And this product have a lot of features, and one touch button is easy for toddlers to push, and they have strong suction cups stick firmly to the bathtub wall and whatever, and they have easy to use and clean, so they are pretty washable and battery operated and quiet. And notice to operation, and this bubble maker can be sticked to the bathtub and wall, but please do not throw the device into the water. And to avoid water, get into the loudspeaker and affect the use effect. And secondly, you can use different types of shower gels, reuse bubble bath water, and make sure that if you are using a thicker consistency of soap, that you mix it around with your finger pretty good so that the machine can make the bubbles easier. And 3 modes with the one touch button. The one touch button is simple enough for little ones to turn it on, and then the machine will make bubbles and play different songs, and you can turn the songs off and just do bubbles as well by press the button twice, turn it off by press the button again, and they mix the bubble with the minimal bath soap. So use different types of shower gels or reuse bubble bath water made with a lot with just little soap and water, and you can get maximize bubble fun. And this have a battery operated. This automatic bubble maker is powered by 2 AA batteries. They last longer than if you were to just put the bubble mix in the running water. Add just a bit of soap and water to the container. Tons of fun bubbles rolling out of the smiling mouth. And you will find about this product more in the description below if you're interested. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.